Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a camera fail error in your Samsung Android mobile phone. So how to do this? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates, and also be click on a bell icon for notifications. So let's start. First of all, going to your Android mobile phone and going to your settings of your phone, and after that going to your apps or application. So click on it. After that, find out a camera. So open it and click on a storage and clear the data as well as clear the caches of the camera. After that, go back and click on a force stop. Click on force stop, and after that restart your Android mobile phone. I am sure that after doing this test your problem has been solved. Thanks for watching.